Hello, children! This week, we're learning about the letter Y. Can you think of words that start with the letter Y? Good! You're right! Yak, yogurt. There are lots of words that start with the letter Y. What is that panda playing with? That's right. It's called a yo-yo. Our color of the week is marigold. What kind of things do you know that are the color marigold? Some flowers are the color marigold, and they also make beautiful dishes in that color. This week, our number is the number 24. It's very easy to draw the number 24. And we are also going to write the word 24. See? That was pretty easy. Our shape is a flag. Flags come with many different logos, shapes, and different colors. Our sight words are them, what, each, and day. Why don't you try to make some sentences using these words? Have fun and have a great week!